Hi guys, I'm Zahid Khan. Welcome to Staying Alive in Bollywood. This is my daily fitness routine. Kind of get up, go to the gym, start off with a little stretching. Stretching by the means of, kind of get your legs out, stretch your hamstrings. Very important. You want to avoid injury. And likewise, the other side. Stretch your entire back. Flat on the ground. What you're doing is you're stretching your inner thigh and your calf muscle. And this is generally good because it picks up your body rate. You warm up. You're less prone to injury. And let me introduce you to a pal of mine. This is Nikitan.
Hey guys.
He's, as you can see, very, very into and seriously, religiously into his workout.
We are workout partners, and we have some of the most amazing workouts, and we'll let you into it.
He's given me a lot of good tips, and I think just by looking at him, I've been very inspired. What we'll do is we'll go for a circuit. We'll do a little bit of all so that we tell you what we really hit on what we do for shoulders, what we do for arms, what we do for triceps. So here we go. This is pretty simple. Just around 7-8 pull-ups. Get your back all warmed up. The wider the grip, it comes on your outer lat. The closer the grip, it's more into. So here we go. Make sure before your workout you always pump up your juices, your nuts. Just remember, nuts are like amino acids. Mix it up in some skim milk and then put some honey in it. Have a toast, then come to workout, because then you're really going to have the energy to carry on with your 1 hour strenuous workout. There you go. It's a very good stretch. At the same time, it really works out your lats out here, which give you the V that everybody really wants. Everybody wants to walk like that. It's not your biceps, it's not your shoulders, it ain't your chest, it's your back. Your back is the most important muscle group, according to me. I think we should start with some triceps.
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, come. Okay, this is a very simple tricep machine. Now the thing is, a lot of people want to go into very heavy weights. They always want to lift the heaviest. अगर यहाँ पे देखो, अगर 5 है और 50 है यहाँ पे, तो सब लोग impress करने के लिए 50 पे डालते हैं. लेकिन ये कोई मायने नहीं रखते हैं. It doesn't matter whether you put it on 50. What matters is how well you do your reps, and it's more important to do repetitions than just go in for bulk training. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and leave. What's good about this exercise is that you have negative and positive. You see, when you're pulling, you have a pulley attached to it, and when you're even releasing, you have to release it with the same proportion of power and energy. So there's a good positive, and see, this is negative. Positive, negative. When you do it with the bar, you're more focused on positive, and negative, you just let it drop. So it's not good. You should work both sides of the muscle. That's a typical bicep curl.